How you can get Linux coupon code discount. Go to my video description link and click the discount continue button. On the official website they will show you a 20% off discount pop-up notification. Sign up with your email and enjoy 20% off. Also, if you click today's offer you will get 30% off discount. Here you can see. If you click on the sale page, all the update latest best selling product, you will get up to 50% off, 60% off. Here you can see, which will help you to save money. If you need any support, go to the website last option, click contact us option page. They will support you. And always check out this today's offer, they will give you discount. And website top option, you will always get free shipping and update discount. If my video help you, like it, share it and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.